We are dealing with nature. It's also about how we somehow do things consciously, or we should do.
Well, we should be conscious. We're conscious beings. We may not be aware of what we can't see clearly. And your video gives us this view that is not the human view. And I think also laying data out on a map gives us this unusual perspective that is maybe more broad than the typical human view.
Yeah. Somehow we are maybe grasped by this our limits. I mean, everyday life just grabs us. Even though we are maybe living in era of biggest changes of humankind, but we are like bound to our normal life cycle. We have to have breakfast and take care of the kids, and life goes on even if you are living